Well, going people, hope everyone is doing fine. If my voice went away last night and at the hours when I was coming from work, look at Drew and catch me, so nobody think I'd stop me there. Can't wait to see if you know essential out here. So anyway, today video is going to be on 2 minute clip from TuLox, and he's a member of Twin of Twins, and on his Instagram. And I was just talking to my best friend about the second video, and I was just talking about being online with the online schooling. A WhatsApp video was circulating, and I was saying the same thing, and I was like, oh my god, small world. But I've always enjoyed Twins are Twins. Just true little get to youth. We just never forget where them come from. Wisdom, understanding, intellectual, down to earth, and them knowing to be into a comedian mood, and them knowing to be serious. Their truth might not be yours, but them just keep it raw and stay straightforward. And you can learn based on any level of understanding when it come on to both. So I have the banner up top. If you want to see the full video of the first clip, then you can subscribe to the channel and look throughout it, and you will see them have all sorts of things over there on them channel, you know. So like I said, answer the 2 minute clip, but it was so on point for us. I was just saying this, and then get up today and see it on him Instagram. So answer the clips, all right?
We don't have no parents again. Them parents, yeah. As a youth, say something, so them give them an iPad for going in one corner, go leave them alone. Think about that. See? And talking about school. Not for them no business with school. School at daycare for them, somewhere where youth go and not bother them. You see the kind of world we're head for?
Remember, say it's a technique I want go on, you know, where you do to people. Feel throat stronger, we more build up. We actually
but remember saying them saying the first place where the virus lodge in your throat.
So that's why we can't catch it because we stuck with our throat strong.
Yeah, but that not stop you from catch it. And the sperms now, when you swallow it, it burn out the coronavirus. That's what the video